Hey guys, it's Sia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to be doing the curl formers, but I actually got the knockoff version of curl formers. This was only $16.99 off of eBay, and because I wasn't spending like $70, $60 just to try this out. So I'm going to try out these ones that are pretty much like a dupe to the curl formers. I got them in 50 centimeters, which is about a little over 17, I believe, inches. I don't know, don't hold me to it because I don't know the conversions right now. But yes, so this is pretty much the length. You can't really see it long ways. So, and my hair is definitely not that long. So we're gonna try these out. Whoa, we're gonna try these out and see how they come out. I will link everything down in the description box. All the vendor name and all that. They still have them available. You guys can still order them. They're only $16.99, and they came in about a week or two. It was about not long at all. So if you guys want to try them out, I definitely will link them down below, and you can try them out yourself. So we're gonna try this and see how this comes, because hopefully it comes out really cute. So yeah, let's get right into this video. This is the tool that they come with right here. So you just have to connect them together. Let's try this side. So yes, this is the hook we're going to be using, and I will describe how to use this and everything. So this is just the hook that's going to be used. And you wrap your hair around here, and then you can twist your root if you would like to, have it like a little closer to your root. So twist it a little bit. Turn your hook on, put your hook on, and then you just pull it through. I'll show you guys how to do it, so let's get into it. So first we're going to start off by entering our little hook into the curl former. So you're just going to put this right through. Take two. So you're just going to push this right on through. Had a little misfunction going on, malfunction. So you push it all the way through just like this. And you want to make sure you're taking small sections, because you don't want it to be too big or it won't fit through in the curl former. So I'm just taking about a piece this small right here. I think I might wet it a little bit more. And what I already applied to my hair was this leave-in conditioner right here. And I also used this oil right here. Struggle, but these are way too long for my hair. There you go, that's all I'm doing. So I'll show you guys when I get a little closer up top how to do it, because right now you can't really see the back of my head. So. And you want to make sure that you're twisting your root, because if you don't twist your root, it can become puffy. So in order for you to get that good fine look up top, you want to twist your root really good and then stick it into the hook as you see me doing. And then pull the curl former up and your hair through slowly. Don't yank it because your hair may rip out, but make sure you do it gently and your curl will come right through. And if you find that your curl former doesn't take its form in the curl, just hold the root and pull down, and then it should go back into its springy curl. Okay guys, so this is all that I have, all the curl formers. It took me about maybe an hour or so, I think, maybe longer, I'm not sure, but about an hour to do all of these. It's pretty long. It's my first time ever doing it. I had to get the hang of it. As you see in these clips, you'll see in the previous clips that I was struggling a bit to get the hang of it, but once I did, I just was kind of going. But you have to be careful about with the hook, because you want to make sure your hair is fully into the top of the hook, because it may pull some of your hair out. Like I pulled a few strands out by accident, so I'm going to warn you guys so you don't do it on your hair. So make sure that you're very careful with this hook right here. Make sure your hair is all the way in this part and not part of it sticking out, because then when you pull it through, you'll have some hair loss. So be careful with that. And then I'm just going to sit under my hooded dryer. Probably been there for like 2 hours because my hair takes forever to dry with product. So yeah, I'm gonna sit under my hooded dryer, and then we're gonna see how these come out once I am finished. Okay guys, so about after an hour and 20 minutes or so underneath my hooded dryer, it's time for the moment we've all been waiting for. Well, at least the moment I've been waiting for. So we're gonna take this down and we're gonna see how this thing came out. I'm so scared because if it's not dry, I have to go back underneath the dryer, but I'm hoping that it came out good. So first, I'm going to use my oil that I used earlier, right here. Apply some of that to my hair. Not like first, I'm going to take these out and then apply my oil to my hair. So let's get started. So far they're pretty dry. I'm just holding from the root and then just pulling down. It's a little tough getting some of them out. I don't know what's going on. Maybe the way I wrapped it. I don't know, it's not looking too promising right now. Maybe I need to sit underneath the dryer a little longer. One second. So what I'm finding is easier is to kind of pull it down, but kind of opposite of the way the hair is curling, and that makes it a little easier to pull out. And then just bringing it around like so. That one's a little flumpy, but we're gonna make it work. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is use my oil and just apply some of that to my fingertips, and I'm just gonna go separate and fluff. And they're kind of very moisturized, as you can see. And I only used the two products, which were the oils I just showed you, and then my leave-in conditioner I showed you guys a little earlier. So we're just gonna go through and see what we come out with after we separate. I'm not gonna separate too much because I still want a little definition, but I want a big fro, so we're gonna do that. Okay guys, so this is my final product of the CURLFORMERS that I got from eBay that were only $16.99. Yes, $16.99. And I got these results, and I'm definitely loving these results because my hair is very moisturized and it's very voluminous. Kind of, not really, but yeah, it's very moisturized. It's sleek, and I love it because my hair never ever looks good curl. So now, so this is really cute because it's shorter, but as the days go by, I'm gonna pick it out because I like to have big hair, but I'm just gonna leave it like this for day one. But yes, it was so easy to do, and it's very, very cheap compared to $60 if you don't want to spend that much for curl formers. So these are only $16.99. I will have everything in the description box if they still have them available. If not, I've seen other websites that have similar things, that similar curl formers as well, that are dupes or whatever you want to call them. So yes, this is how I got this beautiful look. If you guys liked it, please give me a big thumbs up, and also be sure to subscribe if you enjoyed the videos that I'm giving you. So I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.